I have just arrived at the boatyard in Lelystad on this grey day, and there's Whiskey Romeo 4, which was hauled out of the water the day before yesterday. I'm interested to see how the antifouling has held out through the season, and of course get an impression of the boat jobs to be done this winter. For example, a gel coat repair there, and another one there. The bow thruster needs a clean up as well, and its anode should be replaced, as should the anode on the prop. This one has certainly done its job properly. That looks better already. So back at the boat, really cold, 2 degrees, and today I'm going to be sanding the hull because the anti-fouling, which I thought had done pretty well, wasn't in fact properly attached to the lower layer. So we're going to sand that clean today, or try it at least. So I should get my safety stuff on. And it consists of a mask, which I'll put on, and then I won't be able to talk to you anymore. Doesn't matter. So there we go. Well, I can talk, I suppose. I must look absolutely charming. So I tell you what's a dirty job. This is a dirty job. I've been working all day at this now. My shoulders and arms are really aching. So I've decided to stop, which I think is a very sensible thing. But I suppose if you're an optimist, you could just say, well, I've done a quarter of the boat. 1.5 more weekends to go. Well, 1 week further and return to the boat in the drizzle. My muscles should be a bit stronger to do some more sanding of the romp. So let's get down to it. Here we go. So 4 days into the job, I'm halfway through. Completed the rudder on the whole port side. As Max would say, it's not very difficult really, quite simple. It's a hell of a lot of work. So I reckon I'll go home and have a nice shower, wash my hair. I've been at this job now, I think for 6 days in total. And great news, I've finished sanding the bugger. You may be looking at the keel and say, well, you didn't do a very good job there, but I don't want to take that down too much, because otherwise you'll get bare metal and that'll go all rusty, which means I've got to prime it as well. Back at the boat again. 8 degrees at the moment, should rise till 10, which is good for bottom coating. It's blowing bloody hard, but I suppose I'm quite protected here in the boatyard. We're going to do some bottom coating, but before I can start that, I've just got to grind a couple of rust spots on the keel. Seeing as we've got some bare metal there, get that covered in primer immediately. The next job is taping the waterline. So here we go, the fun part. So a couple of hours later, it's the last bit of the bow to do. I'll have lunch. Do it all for a second time. So a couple of hours later, doing that first layer of Anti-fouling. Done.